All right, let's dive into the core teachings of Islam, a faith that shapes billions of lives. Yeah, that's over 1.6 billion people. We're talking nearly a quarter of the world's population.
But what are its core teachings, really? So often it's framed by images of conflict.
So this explainer is going to break down the key ideas from the book, Islam, A Short Introduction. You know, the word Islam itself is related to salam, the word for peace. And Allah is just the Arabic word for God. Muslims worship the very same creator as Abraham. The entire faith is built on what are known as the 6 articles of faith. These articles define a Muslim's entire worldview, from belief in one God all the way to destiny. And that faith is put into practice through what's called the 5 pillars. These 5 duties are what unite Muslims in worship, connecting them to their faith and each other.
Okay, so where do these teachings actually come from? Well, there are 2 main sources.
You've got the Quran, the literal word of God, and the Sunnah, which shows how to apply it.
Now, what about the status of women? This is probably one of the most misunderstood topics.
The Quran is actually clear. Men and women are seen as spiritual equals with complementary roles. Get this, Islamic law gave women rights centuries ago that were only recently won in the West. And then there's jihad. It's often called holy war, but the real meaning is way broader. It literally means to struggle, whether that's to do good, improve yourself, or defend the community. And even in combat, the rules are incredibly strict. No harming civilians, period. This verse just drives it home. The sanctity of life is a core principle. But beyond the theology, Islamic civilization has profoundly shaped, well, our world. We're talking huge innovations in medicine, math, and education that laid the groundwork for today. You can even see this legacy in our language. So many English words come right from Arabic. It really speaks to a legacy of shared human values like mercy, justice, and compassion. So it's a faith of submission, of practice, and incredible contribution to the world. So how might understanding this shared heritage change how we see the world? Something to think about.